betrayer, has flies into a rage as KnowJason Knauf helps William gives proofs against him in court. The Sussex's former PR chief has rejected claims that he gave evidence against Meghan to a court with the authority of Prince William. Jason Knauf had worked as joint head of communications for both Harry and Meghan and the then Duke and Duchess of Cambridge. He subsequently made serious allegations about Meghan's alleged bullying of junior staff before quitting and eventually becoming chief executive of William and Kate's Royal Foundation, the charitable arm of their official operations. He left that role last year. Much of the last episode of the Netflix documentary series is devoted to Meghan's decision to take the Mail on Sunday, sister paper of the Daily Mail, to the High Court over its decision to publish a letter she had written to her estranged father, Thomas Markle. During the newspaper's appeal against summary judgment in the case, which was awarded to the Duchess, new evidence from Mr. Knauf came to light over Meghan's earlier claim in court documents that she did not know if, and to what extent, her communications team had also cooperated with the authors of Finding Freedom, a flattering biography about her and Harry. He disclosed that he had provided information to the writers with her knowledge, and had emails to prove it. The Duke of Sussex has accused his brother, both pictured at the unveiling of a statue of their mother Diana, of shouting at Megxit while discussing it. Harry also spoke of their heartbreaking split during the newspaper's appeal against summary judgment in the case, which was awarded to the Duchess. New evidence emerged from Mr. Knauf regarding Meghan's earlier claim in court documents that she did not know whether and how much she even had a contact team. Collaborated with the authors of Finding Freedom, a flattering biography about her and Harry. Meghan was forced to apologise to the court, but said she had no intent to mislead it and had simply not remembered the relevant exchanges at the time. The Court of Appeal judge who dismissed the newspaper's appeal described it as at best, an unfortunate lapse of memory on her part. In the final 3 episodes of the Netflix series, Harry also said aides for William, now heir to the throne, had been complicit in negative stories appearing about the couple in the media and blamed the press for Meghan having a miscarriage. In the Netflix documentary, Meghan's lawyer, Jenny Affia, goes so far as to suggest William would have given his authority for Mr. Knauf to come forward in the case, saying, "A senior member of the Duke of Cambridge's team came forward to give this witness statement which wasn't required. And sadly there is just no way he could have done that without the authority of his bosses." Extraordinarily, Harry and Meghan are also filmed by the crew in a friend's apartment in November 2021 at the very moment they discover that Mr. Knauf's evidence has been disclosed. Meghan throws her hands up in frustration as she walks around and says, "How do we deal with that? The camera crew were even permitted to film the couple in the early hours of the morning waiting for the result of the appeal, and then victoriously calling their friends." Miss Affia goes on to claim that Mr. Knauf's witness statement had no legal significance on the case whatsoever but was filed because the impact on Meghan's reputation was potentially damaging. But a representative for Mr. Knauf made clear yesterday that he had been a less than willing participant in the case, having been approached by both parties to give evidence, and only agreed to submit a statement to the court on legal advice. Meghan's lawyer responded to the statement, saying they disputed this claim and adding, "Mr. Knauf was not asked to provide a witness statement by the Duchess of her team. Nor do her attorneys believe Mr. Knauf remained neutral by submitting a witness statement relied on by Associated newspapers while